Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best light blue Nike backpack on the market. The Nike Sportswear Hayward Backpack 2.0 all-over print in light blue and white. If you're searching for a stylish, functional, and reliable backpack, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice about this backpack is its eye-catching all-over print design. The combination of light blue and white gives it a fresh, clean look that stands out without being too flashy. Whether you're heading to class, the gym, or just out and about, this backpack brings a cool, sporty vibe to your everyday carry. The Nike Sportswear Hayward Backpack 2.0 is built with 100% polyester, which means it offers sturdy and durable construction to withstand daily use. The fabric is densely woven to provide heavyweight support, so you can trust this bag to carry your essentials safely. Now, let's talk about the size. Measuring 13 inches wide, 19 inches high, and 9 inches deep, this backpack offers a generous 26-liter capacity. That means you can pack a lot without the bag feeling bulky. Whether it's books, gym gear, or everyday items, this backpack has room to hold it all. One of the key features is the internal sleeve designed to store a laptop up to 15 inches. This dedicated compartment keeps your device secure and protected from bumps while you're on the move. Plus, the padded shoulder straps are adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable fit whether you're carrying light or heavy loads. On the sides, you'll find pockets ideal for holding a water bottle or other small essentials. This handy feature makes it easy to stay hydrated or keep frequently used items within easy reach. The backpack also includes a haul handle on top, which makes grabbing it quickly or carrying it by hand simple and convenient. And when it comes to maintenance, the recommended spot clean method means you can easily keep this backpack looking fresh and clean without too much hassle. Overall, the Nike Sportswear Hayward Backpack 2.0 balances style and practicality effortlessly. It's an excellent choice if you're after a backpack that not only looks good but also performs well in daily use. Its durable polyester build, roomy compartments, and comfortable adjustable straps make it a reliable companion for school, work, or leisure. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a light blue backpack that combines iconic Nike style with everyday functionality, this Hayward Backpack 2.0 is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.